ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya onye ọ bụ naanị ya na-achị onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi onye ọ bụ naanị ya bụ ọka aka ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etu gị eze ebube dị ngọzi mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị gboo wee tụọ gị ebighị ebi onye nwe m ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu ọ bịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị wee na-akpọkụ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu egbe wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ n'ụtụ na ịja mma mgbe niile n'ihi na anyị enweghị ichi ọzọ ebezuga gị anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị refe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụghị ekoni ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkwa ha nsọ gị na-asị na emeghị ichi ọzọ egwezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị mara onye ka a na-arịọ gị ise
Igbo bụ Igbo ekele m ụnụ Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie na anyị na-ewetara ụnụ ọnọdụ Igbo ntị ka m were godo ohere a kelee my fans ndị stand by me over this weekend n'ihe na-efegharị na agara m Sokoto bịazie kwuo ihe nkata m na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kpara yes and ọ dị necessary na nkata ahụ akpa ya ndị biko onye ọbụla na-ege ihe ị ga-eche ya gị tụsa ya ọ dị very important. I've always been a lone voice ịghọtago ị nọrọ chewe mgbe ụwa niile ga-eti ọnụ ihe agaghị aga aga ịnọrọ mbụ otu onye ọbụla ga-eti aka ihe anaghị aga aga so unu lekwana anya na my activities unu ga-ama na mbụ a lone voice. So agara m na first of all ka m gwa ndị be anyị a sị na onye ị ga-eto m too onwe m IPOB a na IPOB ekili na IPOB ọpụtụdị ọmụ abụ Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie na ndị amị kwụsịnatara ịnọkọta eburu ihe baa na vileji gbawa ha ọkụ Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie mgbe ndị amị agbagburu ndị amị na-aba ha bido gaa n'ụlọ na-anwụkọsị ụmụ anyị m gaa na-aba confront ndị amị head on gwa ha na ha enweghị right ime ha attack n'ụzọ ha gaa n'ụlọ nwụkọsịwa ụmụ anyị mana first of all ka m kwutu maka okwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wepụtara today ụmụnne m unu lee anya unu ga-ahụ na adị mmadụ na-abụ kwuru okwu ahụ onye ọbụla chọrọ igwe onwe ya eziokwu ga-ahụ na onye gụpụtara ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwuru barịsta Nnamaka maka ọ gụchazie ya jụwazie Patrick ma nwere ihe ọzọ mana Nnamaka dere and mụ anwa na ụdị mmadụ ihe Kanu bụ exactly ihe barịsta Nnamaka dere kwuo gụpụta ị na-ele unu ga-ahụ na ọ na-agụ ya agụ ọ na-ele ya n'akwụkwọ na-agụ ya agụ gosi na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu ya na-edetu ihe Patrick kwuru wu to damage me and I don't bloody care. Patrick that barịsta Patrick ụkwa my lawyer a contract m ya chọọ ya n'oge m chọpụtara ụdị mmadụ ihe ọwụ m chọọ ya m wepụ onwe m n'akụkụ ya m chọọ ya ọ my lawyer a contract m ya na ihe m na-agabiga ọ nwere idea mana mgbe m bịara hụ nzọụkwụ ya n'oge m chọọ ya that Patrick ịhụrụ pụtara kwuo ihe a na unu lezi anya na nke ọ na-ekwu na ahụ na okwu gị off head ọ dedị ya ede so doo na anya na ihe ahụ awụdụ part of ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwu and ihe a otu ndị a have been deceiving us ha ji wee cause all confusion everywhere. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwu ọzọ maka na nwa amadi anọ n'ime nga ha pụta ha atekwasha ya kwuo ya otu ga-adị ha mma. So Patrick Mazi barịsta Nnamaka ekenne gị and ozi Nnamdi Kanu anabata m ya loud and clear mana achọrọ m ịgwakwa ndị Igbo na ọkwa okwu ahụ m gara Mezie eji pụta gwa anyị nke bụ eziokwu. Ihe m pụtara kwuo na ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwu ke ihe dị iche. Ihe dị iche wụ na m sị na ụmụnne ya na lawyers ya ji akpa ego. Ị gaghị eme expect ime ya accept. Mana e nwere ihe m gwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu merenụ gosiri na m nwere proof ya. M sị ya lee nke a merenụ. Mana ọ family ya ka ọwụ. O kwukwara n'ihe okwu gosia ihe ọ gosiri. Ajụjụ m jụrụ ya wụ kedu onye dị in charge of otu gị ọwụ DOS ka IPOB ya ji aka kọwara m na IPOB wụnụ DOS na DOS wụ leadership na ọha dị in charge okwukwele ya taa. And obi aṅụrụ mmewu ndị niile na-ekwu na achịpụla na ọ chụpụla ndị DOS na DOS compromise ọ gụchala ya onye ọbụla kiri nwa nkịtị ya n'aka and o mee na appeal sị onye jikọ aka ọnụ hụ na agbara mbọ maka mpụta ya which I will do. Awụdị m onye ụjọ. Asị Patrick bịa were aha m tọọ sị na ọsọ lọlọ ihe awụzi ihe o kwuru ka ọ were mee biko o revenge ihe m kwuru maka the lawyers. I understand. So Igbo bụ Igbo ige ihe a biko na-enyere m aka pụtụ Patrick n'ọda na onye ọbụla gere ihe ahụ na-agwa onwe ya eziokwu kwesịrị ịma nke bụ eziokwu na Nneka agụọ na ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dị ọ na-ele ya n'akwa ya na-agị ya Patrick abịazie ka ọ dameji m. Now Patrick a na-asị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si na Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie should not come around him. Ọ ha nwakpọrọ m. Anọ m na-arụrụ onwe m ọrụ. Patrick nwere ike ịgwa m one single effort o mere in this struggle kemgbe 2021 Nnamdi Kanu bụ na nga till now did na-ebugharị nnukwu afọ na Abuja buru ike buru afọ na-ebugharị na Abuja gwadị nna m ofu mkpu ihe nye nwapụta mkpụrụ ọtọ na-ekwu okwu gwadị nna m ofu mkpụrụ contribution ya in 2022 Barrister Patrick cannot drive from Enugu to Anambra. Onwere ike move from Enugu to Imo State. Enwebede so pụtara release a press show na o sarụ ọrụ. Na m nwa warizire ebe niile. Ati no na awụ my member of IPOB. Mana asịsị nyewe no leadership. Edewe Patrick dewe m onye ka a ga-enye leadership na IPOB. Asa na-enye leadership. Ịma na ihe mere n'ọwụ na sometime anya ukwu na selfishness adị ekwe ghọta important people onye lụcha ọ ga-akwatuo ya ụrọ n'elu iwe ọ ihe na-eme mụnwa bịara n'ọnụ agụ fesi ndị amị akọkụ egbe mpụta mụ alụgbubiri ọgụ nọ na is na anyị na-alụ ụmụnwa na-apụta na-eti ndị be anyị tige na vigilante lekwa ihe na-eme tige chibie ya ọrụ m ka ha hụrụ kpọọ m amadị m onye Sly wụ Dr. Sly wụ ya akpọ m na fon ụmụnne anyị n'obodo oyibo na-akpọ na-ekene ndị eche ka ha nye m ego m sị achọdụ m iwe ego thank God na-enwekweghị onye m were ego because ọ bụrụ na-enwe onye m were ego ya only God knows what they would have said. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ayogosi ekwule fọda ma ọ bụrụ na ha abọghịrị okwu a abụọ m onye ọbụla ike ekwuo m ihe mma mana ọ yogo sị ka etinye aka hazie ihe m ga-edemandị ịga hụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ma m nwee ohere m ga-ahụ ya nyere m anya eyeball to eyeball gwazie m okwu ahụ m gere maka na a na-eme agwa ha ọzọ ha kwuo ọzọ. Today ahụna m that press release na ozugbo press conference. So Barrister Patrick ma ebe na-eme press conference eme Igbo bụ Igbo anyị nọ nga mgbe dị mkpa ha ka Patrick unu lee Patrick unu nga na ọha ka Sadik bụ afọ na ike ju ebe niile unu ga-ahụ na ọ dị mkpa ibie pụta na social media buru egbe si ya ga-agbagbu ndị Igbo niile. Patrick emedi press release challenge ya ọ ga-achọ ka ọ kọtọ nwaanyị ifere ya dị eme gị nwaanyị lụcha ọgụ nwoke nwere akụkọ ihe bụ Barrister Patrick nwaanyị lụcha ọgụ nwoke nwere akụkọ ihe bụ Nnamdi eziela ozi kene onye ọbụla ọ bụrụ na ọ chọrọ ịkpọ m afa mgbe o kwuru to everybody to desist from sorting his family he would have called me mana you thought it wise ndị onye na-efegharị n'ihe akwụkwọ ka ị revenge ya na mkpọrọ na ahụ ifere adị eme gị. Patrick aside keyboard pụrụ na TV channels kwuo na contract ya to guide Southeast. He made the press conference ihe ahụ na-ekwu na 1 militre tigide mkpa aside keyboard bagide ebubaga confronting it ọ bụrụ na m mere arụ at least ọrụ m nọkwa n'arụ gbagide
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Obrugon na mmeraru, at least ọrụ rụkwara ahụokwu ahụ ọsịsa ya. Ihe a bụ Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie speaking from her own understanding. I want to tell each and every one of you this evening, hit this like button and share. Very, very importantly. This woman called Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie have done marvelous work. Yeah, in terms of shouting Ebubago. I heard when she was shouting on the Ebubago. I heard when she was shouting the rate of our own people that are being paid by Ebubago. But what she do not know is that those Ebubago, some of them are DOS members. Like the one you saw, Caterpillar. Caterpillar was working for the DOS. And the rest of them. You saw, what are they calling this guy? Sapele. Sapele them. Opontunuru ago them. They were the Ebubago merchants that we are buying our own people. You talk about Asari Dokubo when he came in. Nobody in DOS condemned Asari. Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie. The buying of our young youths. There was a guy that was spied. They dropped a bullet on the ground and videoed it. They said, oh, he's a killer, he's a killer. They spied the man. Nobody in the DOS condemned it. They said, oh, whom they are blaming? Oh, it was because of BLA that made these very people to buy people. So it was because of BLA that makes Nigerian army to buy innocent people. Imagine the justification. Did BLA buy innocent people? The answer is no. Why will those who said that they have come to put peace and make innocent people to return when they are not being displaced by BLA? It was the Nigerian army who said their houses ablaze. They came and buyed innocent people. And those people were Ebubago. I mean, we are Asari Dokubo, which you were shouting, but nobody from DOS condemned it. Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie, shouting and standing on DOS simply means that you are the same agent as Nigeria, as DOS. Because a lot, if you listen to my program in the morning, a lot of atrocities have been committed by the DOS. They killed our own people for saying that they will not obey them. Chinasa Nworu was got on tape saying na bupu onye ọbụla wetere phone say Zakolo Simon Ekpa asasa bupu ishi. It was there. It was on tape. Then they said, oh, Simon Ekpa was Nigerian agent. But the same Chinasa Nworu was got on tape discussing and telling people how Nigeria will work towards and capture Mazi Simon Ekpa in Finland. That Nigeria have a relationship with Finland. And Finland cannot sacrifice their 60 years of relationship because of Mazi Simon Ekpa. That analysis that he did then was so right because they captured Mazi Simon Ekpa in Finland and imprisoned him by Finland. But where he got it wrong, he was the same person telling our people that Mazi Simon Ekpa was Nigerian agent. But in a secret discussion, he was already saying how Nigeria will capture Mazi Simon Ekpa. So Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie, you are making jest of yourself and full of yourself. Asigon na mmere arụ, at least ọrụ rụkwara n'arụ. Who did you work for? You are crying that Ebubago paid us. Who sent the Ebubago? The Nigerian government. But in this contest, their representatives, Southeast governors, because they are the ones that launch Ebubago. Who were the DOS praising DOS, we are praising the governor of Enugu State. Chinasa Nworu wrote on his platform that he knows him. He's a very fine gentleman. They even commanded him to burn, and anybody that doesn't want to open shop, burn that person. Or have you people forgotten? All of this happened while we are here. Why are you people confusing thunder? At least allow thunder to breathe. Stop confusing thunder. Asilkwa na mmere arụ. At least ọrụ rụkwara n'arụ. Nobody that is visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu truth. And I will prove it to you. These very people, according to Barrister Maxwell, they jubilated when Mazi Simon Ekpa was jailed, right? But in Barrister Maxwell address, saying the message he got from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said too many groups that are already fighting for Biafra. He acknowledged them. Where is too many group? There is no too many group. Those group emanated from the same Mazi Simon Ekpa for Nigerian agents. Briggy was Mazi Simon Ekpa's brainchild. USB and the CRC. Those are the too many Biafra group, too many to mention them. Those ones are Mazi Simon Ekpa's brainchild. So how can you people call Mazi Simon Ekpa a terror, a Nigerian agent, and then you read that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu recognized too many group? Where? Which group is too many? Are you talking about Wazirike? Now, before I confuse the thunder, now I got out. Look at I am Onyebuchi. If you go to Brigi, CRC, and the USB, all of these very people, we are the people following Mazi Simon Ekpa. The same Mazi Simon Ekpa for too many names. So, will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu condemn? Oh, according to Master Prophet, that man of Okenya Rurala. I don't respect Okenya Rurala. Master Prophet Vezibu Okenya Rurala. You call yourself a prophet with devilish intent. This is me, and this is how I take my own thing. I don't give a damn. When I address you, I address you. Owegi, don't be offended, but this is me. When I speak the truth, I speak it raw. Owegi, don't be offended, but get the truth, get the message. Let the message change you. If you refuse the message to change you, it means that you are devilish incarnate. And we must be sincere when we say things. We must be realistic. I am Mwashibrubi, please. I hope you people are listening. I hope you are getting the message clearer. I just hope that you are getting the message clearer. Or is the message not clear to you? Now, asekwanu na mmere arụ, at least ọrụ n'arụ. Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie, I want to tell you that you have been beating around the bush. You have not done any work. Because the DOS that you are calling now said that the governors asked them to hand over men to them, which they did. And those men are the ones part of a bag. We saw them. We saw them in video. Some of them will claim that, oh, they have been there. Now they are working for Nigerian government. Very, very, put green, white, green in the bag. But what we talk about is Biafra freedom. Are you people working for Biafra freedom? You are fighting for DOS that never sanctioned anybody for speaking against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Paul Achebe spoke against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you people celebrated. When, what is his name? When 1,000 Teeth spoke against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you people celebrated. When, what is his name again? The one with Ishikodo, Yeah, see the hot. And by the way, I have not seen as the hot. Please, you people should update me. As the hot is, I don't hurt anybody. When I preach here, I do not hurt you and I never wish you death. The last time I saw as the hot on a program, I like a chamolode. Obrunishi, such just like macheted. I don't like as he is. People should find if he is fine or not. Till Biafra come, I wouldn't wish anybody death. But you people have committed a lot of atrocities, including soiling your hands in blood of our own people. But two wrongs doesn't make a right. If I should seek for your own death, I am not the maker of life, please. And that is the reason why I value life so much. You rest, regardless of how I speak to most of you, on this very platform, I value life. And that is the reason why I speak the way I do, please. I see the heart when he spoke against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and fired Mazi Simon Ekpa, countless. Where we are all of you? Where we are all of you? With Mazi Simon Ekpa Kebuo. You have not done any work because DOS, anybody fighting for freedom, supposed to be a unifier, supposed to be the ones that will bring Biafra to close to the Biafra people, not supposed to be somebody that will sabotage the Biafra people. Even as I speak here, I can never be part and parcel of sabotaging a Biafran, no matter whom the person is, or giving the person to Ndi Ebuya. I can never. Not me. But those of you have done that. Those of you have done that. In as much as I disseminate my program, my message here, I am not party to Onye Yebu Nwa Biafra. I can never support that. All of you know me. And I wouldn't support it. Lọlọ, Nneka, Chimezie, your DOS fought against Mazi Simon Ekpa and they brag. Going to Finland, testifying against Mazi Simon Ekpa on the side of Nigerian government. And then they lied about it. They first of all told you that they will go to Finland. And they went to Finland. They protested, calling Finland to arrest him, that he is spying soldiers in Nigeria. Revisit the protest, that he is committing crime. And what is the crime? Mazi Simon Ekpa was avenging the deaths that the Nigerian soldiers caused and the Nigerian terrorists, not Nigerian terrorists in military uniform, buying innocent people every day. So he decides to confront them. As you people see now in Nigerian news, it is everywhere how Nigerian soldiers are complicit in buying ordinary people. When terrorists invade their communities, you wouldn't see the military. But after the terrorists finish buying them and they are revolting, you then see the Nigerian military to cover up the news. I am Mwashibrobi, please. I don't know if you are getting this very message, but Lọlọ, Nneka, Chimezie, may I tell you, ma, you are making a hell lot of noise. You are not anybody, and you did not do any work. Because a babag is DOS. DOS is a babag. There was a standing order. Never allow any babag anywhere you see them in Biafra land. That was a standing order. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is my leader, says something. Anytime I shift from what I am telling you and start dangling, just know that I have sold out. Are you people telling us that a bubag that the DOS has contributed our brothers Our sons, our daughters who have volunteered themselves in Biafra freedom, they contributed them to go and work for Nigeria, have now become good. Is that what your people are telling us? And those Ebubagu, you are shouting their menace, what they committed, but you do not blame those who contributed them to. I don't know if anyone is getting me. Sometimes when I try to divulge what these other people are saying, I get running stomach because I cannot understand for my dear me how educated people think from their own annuals. Lọlọ, Nneka, Chimezie, I must be sincere with you and I must be truthful to you. Because Elohim Chukwu Okike Abiama is God and not man. And only him will make us to stand firmly on the truth. May I stand here to tell you the truth? You are evil. Master Prophet did a program saying that the crime of Mazi Simon Ekpa was he tried to hijack the leadership. Mazi Simon Ekpa never hijacked, never answer supreme leader. He never answered supreme leader. He never answered anything from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He never. All he answered was Prime Minister of Biafra. That's the only thing he answered. And he is the Prime Minister of Biafra. He did the work. He confronted the Nigerian government that saw Musa crying. Are you people telling us that we are now preferring Nigeria? Anything that will pain Nigeria will pain us. Is that what you people are telling us? Eh? Like today, Soludo, who contracted the DOS, upon hearing that the DOS have now gotten the power, rushed to main market today to say that if they do not open their market, that he will shut it down. He shut main market for good 7 days and promised them next week he will shut every shop. Is that so? Lọlọ, Nneka, Chimezie, are you aware that a governor of Enugu State killed somebody in the market because they did not go to market? They went there and shot a guy. Now, the DOS were praising the governor, saying, oh, they were answering, they were obeying Mazi Simon Ekpa's order, sit at home, that he should buy all of them. Are you aware? This is a crime against Biafran. A governor, a terrorist governor of Enugu State, killed an innocent man for shop open or don't open shop. Instead of the DOS, who said that they are now watchdog of the people, instead they praised the governor and they said that the governor should go and buy them, that they are all terrorists. This we are talking about, we are no longer talking about people following Mazi Simon, but we are talking about market people in Enugu State. Or can we forget all of those things? If you are here and you are listening to this devil, please hold your head and say this prayer. My Father, any coven that the DOS have tied my brain, that by Lọlọ, Nneka, Chimezie, or by their spiritual coven or Fulani cow, I lose it in the mighty name of Yahweh Yoshua. Oh yeah, speak in tongues as I speak. Haratatata. Sheri bo 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 reke laka 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 sera. Hey, oh cool like and the pastor she say. And I am original pastor. I am Washibrobe place. Please watch Soludo threatening the market people. Till I come your way next time, I will use Soludo's video to close these remarks. God bless all of you.
This whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Are you hearing me? Each Monday will come and inspect. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down my market for the remainder of this year. I'm just from Oka. Everywhere is open. And people are going about their businesses. Then you come down to Onitsha. Come down to main market. The once reputed market as the largest market in West Africa. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I have just driven all the way from the junction with Ose to this place. Through much of Johnson, I've seen through Johnson, I've seen through Bright, and the shops locked up. I've peeped inside, a few persons here and there. I know that people have done this sit at home on Mondays for quite some time now. And as they say, an abomination that lasts a year becomes culture. No. This can no longer go on in Anambra. You either decide that you want to trade here or you can go elsewhere. This main market, if you don't want it open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it. Are you hearing me? And I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not joking. Going forward, any Monday, any shop that is not open will be locked for 1 week. And let me tell you this. As I'm speaking to you now, when I finish this whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Are you hearing me? Each Monday will come and inspect. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down my market for the remainder of this year. If you don't like it, go elsewhere and trade. But if you are here, we're not going to allow this. It's plain economic sabotage. And also, we suspect whoever closes their shop to have some criminal intent. Those who shut down their shop, who lock up their shops on Mondays, are saboteurs, and we suspect them of having criminal intent. Now, this market is shut down. I've come here with the Commissioner of Police. I'm here with the Commissioner of Police and with the security agency. You see the soldiers. Instance for the first 1 week. If we come on Monday and it is locked and any shop is not, we'll lock it for 1 month. No, no, even now, onye choice of your beer, onye choice of your Anambra is open to everybody. Everybody is welcome to trade in Anambra. But if you must trade here, you must abide by the rules. And the rules are that markets are open Monday to Saturday.